Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to sign up for Amazon Flex Driver. So basically to sign up for Amazon Flex, you can go to Let's Drive on Amazon. Just check if you meet the requirement. Okay, you need to of course download the Amazon Flex app on your iPhone or Android device. Just sign up using your existing Amazon account, or you can create a new one as well. Just complete the registration process. You need to of course pass a background check, and you might be placed on a waiting list until Amazon onboards more delivery drivers in your area. You'll basically receive an email when they're onboarding more drivers. So to qualify for Amazon Flex, you must be, of course, living in an area where Amazon Flex operates, be 21 years or older, have a U.S. driver's license, valid one, and a social security number as well. You need to have a mid-sized car or a larger vehicle and insurance. Okay, you need to have an iPhone or Android smartphone. You need to have a bank account. Okay, and as an Amazon Flex driver, you'll use your own vehicle to be delivering Amazon packages. So you'll get paid by direct deposit once a week. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided a value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.